Today we're making pulled pork with apple cider. First we prepare the onions and blend them in a blender. When we cut the pork shoulder into large, season the pork with salt and pepper. Next, get the apples, we start by searing the pork on all sides until it's nicely browned. Afterward, we add the blended onions, the apples, and the apple cider. We also pour in some water to help it cook. Let it simmer on low heat. While it's cooking, check and flip the meat from time to time. After about 2.5 hours, the pork will be tender and ready. Take the meat out and set it aside. Blend the sauce until smooth, then pour it back over the pork. Now it's ready, juicy, tender, and full of flavor. Perfect on its own or for making burgers and other dishes. Enjoy your meal! Thank you for watching and subscribe in my channel. See you